So I think it was pleasant and instructive. The workshop is well structured to bring the various topics progressively. It was very interesting with engaging activities. I liked particularly that the exercises are simple to do, and yet they bring a lot of insights to the learner. The variety of exercises and the fluid facilitation by the trainer made my learning experience very positive. I think this workshop is useful for all employees with a certain number of years of experience, so maybe more than 3 to 4 years. The reason I say that is because it takes 3 to 4 years to fully grasp an assigned role and grow the expertise. And potentially, it's the right time to think about what's next in one's career. So I find that this workshop helps to bring awareness to on the strengths, aspirations, and types of roles that are suitable for a person, and that would help identify the next step in one's career. So personally, I applied those learnings in my self-reflection on my career and determining what the best path would be. When I went through the various exercises and key takeaways, it confirmed that the path I have decided to take is indeed aligned with my aspirations and strength. So it helped me also to engage conversations with my manager to define further the orientation of my career and the opportunities that would be interesting for me. I would say that this training is interesting to first get some self awareness on the strength, the skills, the likes, dislikes, aspirations, and then engage a constructive conversation with the manager to see what opportunities would be interesting to match those aspirations. In my experience, the productivity, the motivation, the engagement levels are way higher when the roles and responsibilities that are given match one's aspirations. So I highly recommend this training for both employees and managers to help both parties find the best match between aspirations and missions.